In this video, we are going to see how to calculate the grade of students using Java. Go to kandi.openviewer.com. Here, our search query will be enter students grade rank. Today, I'm going to use this first snippet. Copy the snippet. Before pasting it in an IDE, create a class. I'm going to name it as students grade. Create a main method inside the class. Paste the snippet which we have copied from Kandi. Here we are declaring and initializing an array named as grade with the 5 values. And here we are declaring an integer variable named as temp that will be used to hold the value of current element being swapped during this sorting process. And this following line of code perform the selection sort algorithm on the grade array. Now we'll run the code. Here we have a sorted array in both ascending and descending order.